Hey guys, welcome to Crafty Cracks, and today we are going to make DIY old CD key hanger. The materials which we are going to need are CDs, pen caps, piece of paper and some colorful pens. So let's get started with this DIY. These are my CDs. So first of all, I am taking a piece of paper and on this I will draw eyes, 2 eyes. I've drawn them and cut them out. Now we will stick it to the CD. So I am making a face for the CD. You can even decorate them as you wish. So now I am going to stick it with the help of Fevicol. So the hole is serving for the purpose of the nose, and that's why I am going to just make the mouth of it. For the mouth, I am using a pink color pen, rather a sketch pen. I am using a sketch pen. So now we are going to cut it out. And repeat the same process that we did for the eyes. That is, we'll be just putting it in place and then we'll be gluing it with the help of Fevicol. So I'm wiping off the extra glue now. So my face is done, and now I will be taking pen caps. I've used 3 pen caps. You can use more if you want. With the help of glue gun, I'm going to glue it to the CDs. And repeat the same process for the other 3. So guys, it's very easy to make such key hangers. It's just some small steps to follow and you have your own key hanger at home. Now to hang it, I will use a string and I will just glue it behind the CD with the help of glue gun. I've done that and I've hanged my CD with the help of a hook. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Till then, bye.